Most of the students find it difficult to solve proving questions of trigonometry, but you just have to focus on the right hand side. Here we can see that there is no tan theta and cot theta. So you have to change this tan theta and cot theta in sine and cos. And the formulas I have written here, tan theta is 1 by cot theta and also tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. We will start by proving LHS is cos theta upon 1 minus tan theta. An easier way to do is first change cot theta into tan theta by writing it 1 upon tan theta. So the next step will be this tan theta will go in the numerator after taking LCM, and we will get tan theta minus 1 in the denominator. But denominator can be taken common if both are same. So we will take this minus sign here, we'll take it common. Hence we will get cos theta upon 1 minus tan theta minus sine theta. This tan theta can be written as sine theta upon cos theta, and because we have taken minus common, so this will be 1 minus tan theta. I'm erasing here. So next step will be cos theta 1 minus tan theta is common minus sine square theta upon cos theta, which on further solving will give you cos square theta minus sine square theta. We are taking LCM, and this cos theta will come in the denominator. Now this can be written as using a square minus b square formula, cos theta plus sine theta, cos theta minus sine theta. We don't have tan theta in the proof, so I'm again changing it into sine theta and cos theta, which will give me cos theta plus sine theta into cos theta minus sine theta divided by cos theta minus sine theta upon cos theta, because we are taking LCM again. So cos theta will be cancelled, and similarly cos theta minus sine theta will be cancelled, and we will get the answer cos theta plus sine theta, which is your RHS. Hence proved.